This is USMLE QA, USMLE material presented in a question and answer format structured similar to the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book.
Question: What is a nucleoside? Answer: A nucleoside is a base plus ribose sugar. Question: What is a nucleotide? Answer: A nucleotide is a base plus ribose sugar plus phosphate, linked by a 3 to 5 feet phosphodiester bond. Question: What is the difference between purines and pyrimidines? Answer: Purines have 2 rings while pyrimidines have 1 ring. A mnemonic to remember this is pure as gold for purines and cut the pyramid for pyrimidines. Question: What are the deamination reactions? Answer: The deamination reactions are cytosine to uracil, adenine to hypoxanthine, guanine to xanthine, 5-methyl cytosine to thymine. Question: What is the difference between thymine and uracil? Answer: Thymine is found in DNA and has a methyl group, while uracil is found in RNA and does not have a methyl group. Question: How does methylation of uracil result in thymine? Answer: Methylation of uracil makes thymine. Question: How do CG bonds compare to a T bonds in terms of strength? Answer: CG bond is stronger than a T bond. It requires 3 H bonds while a T bonds requires 2 H bonds. Question: How does increasing CG content affect the melting temperature of DNA? Answer: Increase in CG content leads to an increase in melting temperature of DNA. It is said that CG bonds are like crazy glue. Question: What are the amino acids necessary for purine synthesis? Answer: The amino acids necessary for purine synthesis are glycine, aspartate, and glutamine. A mnemonic to remember this is cats purr until they gag. Question: What is the energy source for the phosphodiester bond in nucleotides? Answer: The energy source for the phosphodiester bond in nucleotides is the triphosphate on the 5' end of the incoming nucleotide. Question: What is the target of the 3' hydroxyl attack in nucleotides? Answer: The target of the 3' hydroxyl attack in nucleotides is the phosphate. Question: How does the strength of CG bonds compare to a T bonds? Answer: The CG bond is stronger than the T bond because it requires 3 hydrogen bonds while the T bond requires 2 hydrogen bonds. Question: What is the effect of increasing CG content on the melting temperature of DNA? Answer: Increasing CG content leads to an increase in the melting temperature of DNA. This is because the stronger CG bonds require more energy to break. Question: What are the amino acids necessary for purine synthesis? Answer: The amino acids necessary for purine synthesis are glycine, aspartate, and glutamine. Question: Can you give a mnemonic to remember the amino acids necessary for purine synthesis? Answer: A mnemonic to remember the amino acids necessary for purine synthesis is cats purr until they gag. Question: What are the nucleotides that are composed of 2 rings? Answer: The nucleotides composed of 2 rings are purines. Question: What are the nucleotides that are composed of 1 ring? Answer: The nucleotides composed of 1 ring are pyrimidines. Question: What are the base found in RNA? Answer: The base found in RNA is uracil. Question: What are the base found in DNA? Answer: The base found in DNA is thymine. Question: What is the role of the deamination reactions in nucleotides? Answer: Deamination reactions are a process where an amino group is removed from a nucleotide base. This process results in the conversion of certain nucleotides to other forms, for example, cytosine to uracil, adenine to hypoxanthine, guanine to xanthine, and 5-methyl cytosine to thymine. Question: How does methylation of uracil affect its role in RNA? Answer: Methylation of uracil changes it to thymine, which is a base found in DNA, not RNA. Therefore, it would affect its role in RNA as it would no longer be able to function as a base in that molecule. Question: What is the significance of the 3 to 5 feet phosphodiester bond in nucleotides? Answer: The 3 to 5 feet phosphodiester bond is significant because it links the nucleotides together to form the backbone of DNA and RNA molecules. This bond allows for the formation of the double helix structure in DNA and linear chain in RNA. Question: How does the strength of CG bonds affect the stability of DNA? Answer: The strength of CG bonds affects the stability of DNA because stronger bonds require more energy to break, making the DNA more resistant to denaturation. This means that as the proportion of CG base pairs in DNA increases, the melting temperature of the DNA also increases, making it more stable at higher temperatures. Question: How does an increase in CG content affect the melting temperature of DNA? Answer: An increase in CG content leads to an increase in the melting temperature of DNA. This is because the stronger CG bonds require more energy to break, and therefore the DNA must be heated to a higher temperature in order to denature. Question: what is the role of amino acids in purine synthesis? Answer: amino acids play an essential role in purine synthesis as they act as precursors for the synthesis of purine nucleotides. Glycine, aspartate, and glutamine are the specific amino acids required for purine synthesis.
Thank you for watching our Q&A format video. We hope this helped you learn, review, and retain knowledge needed for the USMLEs. For more information on this topic, check out the link in the description. Now, if you want to take your USMLE prep to the next level, be sure to check out all our courses, which are structured to follow along with the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book. You can find us at usmleqa.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.